Ballet Jacklyn Dougherty. So we're going to be doing Battements Tendus in 5th position. We're going to do prep 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do 4 en trois. So we're going to do 4 devant. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do 4 side. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to close first time. Now you're going to go derriere. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to close back first. Side. 2, 3, 4. And then now we're going to change your feet to the other foot. 5, 6, and we go front. 2, 3, 4. Side. 2, 3, 4. So back, back. Derriere, 2, 3, 4, Auscombe, side, 2, 3, 4,